EPRI's European Workshop Week is our opportunity in Europe to bring together our stakeholders from utilities, from research organizations, from partners across the energy industry to talk about the issues and challenges that the industry is facing at the moment, to talk about how people are addressing them, and to identify where collaborative research can help to address those challenges in the next couple of years. And so that's EPRI's main role in the industry, is to bring organizations together to be able to execute projects that help resolve those challenges in an applied and a practical way. We're here with 14 different sessions covering all parts of the energy transition, from generation supply, networks, to consumers, markets, cybersecurity, and everything else in between.
What a great event this has been so far. 200 participants here at the meeting from 85 different companies, 27 countries represented, coming together to share ideas, to talk about how we can share resources to accomplish all of the things that are needed in such a short time period.
I think it was very good to broaden the perspective, to learn from different people, to get new contacts and collaborate, to exchange about the challenges and the chances for the future.
Very interesting discussion, very lively set of questions in a number of the presentations, which shows really shows the level of interest from people who came. So far, good job.
We at EPRI, so glad to be a part of that. There's an old South African saying, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And this is just a tremendous opportunity and a start for us to be able to go far by being able to go together.